In today's digital landscape, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike. With over 2.91 billion active users, Facebook stands as one of the most influential social media platforms, offering a powerful platform to connect with a vast audience and expand your reach. In this video, we will delve into effective strategies to increase your social media following on Facebook, enabling you to amplify your brand's voice, engage with your target audience, and achieve your social media goals. Section 1. The importance of social media following. Growing your social media following is crucial for several reasons. Enhanced brand awareness. A larger following increases your brand's visibility, exposing your business or organization to a wider audience and establishing your presence in your industry. Improved engagement. With more followers, you can reach a broader audience with your content, leading to increased engagement, more likes, shares, and comments. Credibility and authority. A substantial following lends credibility and authority to your brand, signaling to potential customers and partners that you have a strong online presence and a loyal following. Section 2. Facebook's role in increasing social media followers. Facebook offers a plethora of features and tools that can help you boost your social media following. Profile optimization. Create an attractive and informative Facebook profile, including a clear profile picture, a detailed bio, and relevant keywords to enhance your discoverability. Regular and engaging content. Share consistent and engaging content that resonates with your target audience, including informative posts, eye-catching visuals, and interactive elements. Targeted posting. Utilize Facebook's scheduling tools to post content at times when your audience is most active, maximizing the reach of your content. Relevant groups and communities. Engage in relevant Facebook groups and communities related to your niche, sharing your expertise, participating in discussions, and promoting your content. Facebook ads. Leverage Facebook ads to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, reaching a wider audience beyond your existing followers. Section 3. Strategies for increasing Facebook followers. To effectively increase your Facebook following, implement these strategies. Cross-promotion. Promote your Facebook page on your other social media profiles, encouraging followers from other platforms to connect with you on Facebook. Contests and giveaways. Host engaging contests and giveaways that require participants to follow your page, like your posts, and tag friends, boosting engagement and increasing your follower count. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborate with other businesses or influencers in your industry to reach new audiences and cross-promote each other's content. Facebook Insights. Utilize Facebook Insights to analyze your page's performance, identify which content resonates best with your audience, and refine your strategy accordingly. Consistency and patience. Building a significant following takes time and consistent effort. Stay committed to your strategy, continue producing high-quality content, and engage with your audience regularly. Section 4. Additional tips for increasing Facebook followers. Consider these additional tips to enhance your efforts in increasing your Facebook following. Respond to comments and messages. Promptly respond to comments and messages, demonstrating responsiveness and building relationships with your audience. Encourage user-generated content. Encourage followers to share their experiences, photos, or videos related to your brand, fostering a sense of community and generating engaging content. Utilize Facebook Live. Host live streaming sessions to connect with your audience in real time, share behind-the-scenes content, and answer questions directly. Facebook Pixel. Implement Facebook Pixel to track website visitors' behavior and interests, allowing you to target your content and ads more effectively. Stay updated with trends. Keep abreast of emerging trends and features on Facebook to adapt your strategy and remain relevant to your audience. By implementing effective strategies, utilizing Facebook's features, and adhering to additional tips, you can successfully increase your social media following on Facebook. Remember, growing your following is an ongoing process that requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-evolving social media landscape. By consistently engaging with your audience, producing valuable content, and leveraging Facebook's tools, you can expand your reach, amplify your brand's voice, and achieve your social media goals.